video. Today I'll be walking you guys through my everyday makeup routine. I'm really not an expert when it comes to makeup. I basically do the same thing every day, so I never really saw myself making one of these videos, but someone asked for it, so I'm gonna give the people what they want. So I'm just gonna start with moisturizer. I'm just using 100% plant dry squalane oil from The Ordinary, and this stuff is really good for just making sure that your makeup like glides on your face and blends thoroughly. Okay, so now I'm just gonna jump right into primer. I'm using this Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and this stuff is really good. I recently purchased it, but it has easily become one of my staples. I hope that the lighting and the quality is okay. I'm recording on my phone because my camera's charging, so hopefully this looks okay. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a little bit of sunscreen. This is just the Glossier Invisible Shield. So for foundation, I'll be using basically my go-to foundation, which is the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Tahoe. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. I just purchased this and I feel like maybe the color isn't right, but we're gonna rock with it for now. I think I'm actually gonna also go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and kind of contour my face a little bit. I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Okay, I feel like the lighting looks weird. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go in with my Laura Mercier powder. This is just in the shade Translucent, and just lightly set my face. Okay, so now I'm just going to bronze my face up a little bit. I'm looking a little ghostly, so I'm just using the NYX matte bronzer in the shade Medium. So now I'm gonna do something that I don't always do. I'm just gonna go in and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer just to like define the contour. I don't always do this step, but I think that if you blend it out thoroughly, it really makes a difference. So now I'm just gonna go and set that. So I guess now I'm just gonna go on to my brows. Super simple, super easy. I have been loving this product. It is the Glossier Boy Brow Gel in the shade brown. And this has literally cut so much time out of my makeup routine because it's just so simple and like it gives you a nice like natural fluffy brow look that I'm here for. Now I'm just gonna go in and clean them up a little bit just because I don't always do it, but I have a little bit of time today. Anyway, I'm just going back in with my LA Girl because it's closer to my skin tone. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of bronzer under my eyes and just a little bit on my nose. This lighting really just isn't on my side. I don't know why. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lash line. I think that helped. So now I'm gonna do my favorite part, which is blush. I try not to get carried away here, but I love blush. I'm just going in with my e.l.f. Blush palette, and I use this, like the darkest shade. I think I'm gonna go and just add some of my beauty marks back. Just gonna go back in a little bit of the blush, just because I'm extra. And I'm like obsessed with blush. Let me introduce you to my favorite trio. This is literally all that I use on my lips, unless I'm wearing like lipstick or something. So I'm first gonna go in with this Sugar Lip Polish by Fresh Beauty. You can always make your own using brown sugar, honey, and an oil of your choice. Coconut oil or olive oil, something like that. So now I'm gonna go on to this lip tint slash plumpener, but it's a balm. So this is the Buxom Power Palt, something like that. I'll link it below. And I love this stuff because it's just like a balm. If you're not into like a rosy lip, this might not be for you, but it just kind of gives a nice pink lip tint, which I think is super cute. And lastly, I'm going to use probably my favorite product ever, which is saying a lot. This Smith's Rosebud, or no, this one is menthol and eucalyptus, but there are a couple different scents that they have, and they're all really good. I've tried them all. The formula is just like, oh my gosh, it's just amazing. It's a balm, but like it's buildable, so it can look like a gloss. And it's just like, it smells good. It's like not sticky. It doesn't leave like a white thing on your lips. I'm just gonna go in and like brush out my lashes because I think that's a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a little bit of highlighter just because I'm feeling extra. This is the Master Chrome by Maybelline. It's really good. Okay, so now to tie it all together, I'm going to use this Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist, which is amazing, and one of my good friends put me onto it and I've never turned back. It really just kind of like brings you back to life. That basically concludes the look. Not too extra, just a little extra. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm going out and I work from home, so I'm just gonna go out to a coffee shop and get some work done. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.